Hello from Circle. In this video, we will talk about parking sensor. Every beginner learns to code parking sensor in first steps. If you have passion for code the parking sensor and you don't have the time to build a circuit for it, this product exactly for you. Take a look at the parking sensor. Parking sensor has 8 pins. It has one buzzer for voice feedback. We are using shift register for the LEDs. This way, we use 3 pins instead 8 pins. This female headers for our ultrasonic sensor. Let's connect the parking sensor to Arduino. We need 8 female to male jumpers. First, we connect VCC pin to 5V pin. After VCC pin, we are connecting GNT to GND. Echo pin to 11. For trigger pin, we are connected 12. Data pin to 8. Latch pin to 9. Clock pin to 10. For buzzer, we are using 5. After connections, attach the sensor. And that's it. Time for coding part. Open the circleelectronic.com. Go to parking sensor page. Slide to bottom. Copy learn how to code part. Open the Arduino and create new page. Paste all codes. We defined the pin's name first. These 2 variables for sensor. We need to assign our LEDs for how many from them will be working in the range for between obstacle and us. We defined our pins to which one output and input. This part about sensor, you can learn everything about it from this link. This area about our scenarios. We are setting our max range for obstacles. We are coding at this distance range which LEDs will be work, and our buzzer on-off time. This is a function for buzzer, and upload the code to the Arduino. That was the parking sensor. With NOOB series parking sensor, you can code the parking sensor yourself. Thanks for watching. You can buy parking sensor from circleelectronic.com.